Okay, so hey, what's up guys, this is your friend Captain Diaz back with another weekly tech update. This is a part, or you can say episode 32nd of it. So let's get started. Q10 series. There are different types of smartphones in this series as per some rumors. This smartphone is going to be launching by the Q3 2022 and this is going to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, the latest and the greatest from the Snapdragon processor. And many rumors are also telling us that this smartphone is going to be more focusing on the flagship camera sector, not regarding the gaming. Neo 6. This smartphone has been launched in India with the Snapdragon 870 processor. This is under 30,000 INR rupees, and as per some offers and that all stuff, you can get even discount and that all stuff. We can definitely check it out. It is more focusing on the gaming and the cameras are also really nice. U5e. This smartphone is also going to be launching really soon. By the way, this is going to be powered by the triple camera setup. No, it's going to be having 13 megapixel dual camera setup on the rear side, followed by a single camera setup for the front side, and this is going to be into a budget categorized smartphone. So Smart HD webcam has been launched in India with her aggressive pricing under 5,000 rupees. This is a webcam for your cars and terror stuff, so it can be known by dash cam, and it is having the AI and HD video recording. So yeah, you can definitely check it out if you are looking for one from the Cubo. Xiaomi 12X. This smartphone came up with the Android 12, Android 11 out of the box, and followed by now they are receiving the Android 12 for the April 2022 security patch update. So you can definitely check it out. It is a really nice operating system, Android 12. Xiaomi Pad 6 series. This is a tablet from the Xiaomi, which looks a lot like iPad into an operating system. Just giving that aside. These are the tablets which are expected to launch by the July and August. And as per some rumors, this is going to be having a dual type of operating system for different sectors, such as MediaTek and Qualcomm Snapdragon. And by the time it also going to be having 120-watt fast wireless charging. No, wireless charging. I kind of say if wireless charging comes in the tablet, it's gonna be different. And this, as per some rumor, there's gonna be a budgetified based tablet. CV2 and CV1 was really nice in the design and the stuff. The successor of CV1 is coming CV2. And this smartphone gonna be having Snapdragon 7 Gen 1. Yeah, a 4 nanometer based processor in the 7 series, which is a really good and capable of doing a lot of stuff. It has been rumored soon we're gonna be seeing this smartphone. 11 5G. Yeah, I kind of say Redmi 11 series is still going on. Kind of the Xiaomi Redmi Poco 11 series is still going on. Let's give it that aside. 5G is coming by the way on this phone, and this is gonna be a kind of say into a really different type of phone. It is expected to launch in June. By the way, it's gonna be having a 5G, as I told you, 5000 mAh of voltage in battery, 50 megapixel dual camera setup. I'm not so excited, but I thought let me know in the comment section down below. A50 Ultra, kind of say it is into a gaming smartphone, and this gonna be having a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. Also on the top of it, gonna be having a 2K display and a 100-watt wired charging. And the kind of say gaming smartphones are gonna be having the 8 Plus Gen 1 nowadays. Note 7 and the Redmi K20. These are a kind of say really old smartphones, but still there are some users. But kind of say it is sad, but these smartphones won't be receiving the MIUI 13. So yeah, it's an end for those smartphone updates. I like the K20 because of the pop-up camera mechanism and that back design. It looks really stylish. Oppo Reno 8 series and the Oppo Pad Air. These are launching in the India really soon by the July as per some expectations. And 8 series and the Pad Air are really nice. Pad Air, I'm excited for that because it's a tablet, and Reno 8 series will be focusing more into a camera, but it is okay style. Oppo Reno 8 Lite 5G, and this smartphone is going to be launching really soon. However, there are some specifications which have been teased up. Snapdragon 695 5G processor, and it will also going to be having 4500 mAh battery and a 50 megapixel camera setup. On the top of it, Oppo 877 5G, and this is a upcoming based smartphone which has been seen around on the Geekbench and terror stuff. It is powered by the Snapdragon MediaTek Dimensity 810 chipset, which is a 5G and really capable of doing a lot of stuff. Oppo Reno 3, and this smartphone are receiving the Android 12 update, which has been announced by the Oppo official for the India. And there is talks going on with the OTOPs in China, and they're gonna be discussing for the Android 13 for this Oppo Reno 3 series. It's gonna be really nice if this smartphone will be receiving the Android 13. Realme GT Neo 3T, and this smartphone has been launched. Launch date has been confirmed, by the way. It is June 7th or 8th, and I'm excited because of the GT Neo 3, because over the design type it looks really nice and it looks really good. GT Neo 3 is going on. Realme GT Neo 2 Explorers Edition, and this is kind of a Explorers Master Edition, by the way. It's gonna be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, and it is soon gonna be launching because it has been surfed around the internet. And yeah, it is kind of offside everything. They want a new processor to be implemented, so yeah, just make a phone. Realme Pad X. This is a 5G tablet from the Realme, and by the time there are some rumors that before the June 15th this tablet will be launched in India. And kind of say I'm excited because Realme has launched 2 tablets, and this is a leap to the 5G, and it is extreme. And kind of say I'm excited for the pricing reveal and that all stuff. Vivo T2X. And kind of say Vivo T2X is a okay type of smartphone, but the specifications are really fun. It got a Dimensity 1300 144Hz display, and it has been launched. It is around 20,000 in China, and kind of say it will be soon coming to India by the time. And I'm excited because 144Hz Dimensity 1300 under 20,000. I'm excited for the how it's gonna be competing into the market of the India. You know, OnePlus Ace Racing Edition was launched there, and it is likely that the smartphone will be rebranding and coming to India as OnePlus 10R Lite. Genuinely, it was really good in the design, and I'm thinking how it's gonna be looking for the Indian version. OnePlus 10R Lite, yeah, 5G. As per me, you might be excited for the OnePlus 10 Ultra, and generally speaking, I was really excited. But OnePlus 10T is coming, and it is a 5G, by the way. And likely that the OnePlus 10 Ultra won't be coming, and also on the top of it, the OnePlus 10T will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. And there are some rumors. OnePlus 11 series is on the work, and it's gonna be exclusive and different from the others. Yeah. As usual. A smartphone of OnePlus was based on around FCC certification and that all stuff. By the time, just talk about Oppo A57 4G was there, and this might be that rebranding of this Oppo A57 4G and coming to the OnePlus, and they are targeting also into the 4G market and even affordable market. So yeah, let's think very different into OnePlus sector. On the 70 series, basically there are 3 major smartphones in this series, and they have been launched, and they are really nice in the design and specification and each and everything. And they have came there to the China, and they are kind of say very limited only for the Chinese because they don't have a Google Play services. Google is launching Android 13 Beta 2.1. It is having some sort of bug fixing to the 2 version, and for the Pixel devices. So if you are using the Pixel and you got the support for the 13, then you can definitely test the beta version. These leaks are coming. 7 and 7 Pro are the main 2 models, and followed by soon the 7A will be announced. By the time the display of the 7 and 7 Pro has been reached up, it's gonna be having a 1080p full HD display, and it's gonna be having a Super AMOLED display as per some rumors. And it's gonna be having also support for a 10-bit. By the time it's gonna be looking smaller than the Google Pixel series, so I kind of say don't look at that. It's gonna be bigger only. And also the processor, it is, as per some rumors, they are partnering with the Samsung again for the processor, and it's gonna be a 2nd generation of the Tensor. It's gonna be based on the 4nm by the time. So yeah, I'm genuinely excited, and yeah, Google Pixel 7 series, yeah, that's it. And I will be thinking of the 7A. Basically, if they keep that same processor coming for the 7A at the same price of the 6A, then it's gonna be really nice. 4nm in the really budget sector, let's think in that way. Turin 1, and this is a degoogled OS smartphone, and it has been launched. It is basically focusing more into the privacy and that of stuff. It is priced at roughly around 28,900. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the Z Fold Flip 4 are coming, but there are some rumors regarding the Z Fold 4. As I told you, it's gonna be having an upgraded camera, but it also gonna be having an upgraded display. By the time it's gonna be having a 16 gig of RAM too, and gonna be having a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. I'm genuinely excited too because 8 Plus Gen 1 will be seen on a lot of smartphones nowadays. Galaxy S21 devices are receiving the Android 12 update for the June 2022 security patch. So if you are onto that S21 flagship devices, then an update or security patches are very important. Apple AR/VR headset is really coming soon, and by the time the operating system of this AR/VR has been seen around with the trademarking and that all stuff, it's going to be known by the Reality OS, or you can say ROS. So I'm genuinely excited to see how Apple's AR/VR will be seeing into the future and how it's going to be teaching the concept and that all stuff. iOS 16 leaks up for the AOD, always on display, for the iPhone 14 series, and iPhone 14 series is going to be having one, and I'm gonna say it's going to be a small sort of different type of thing which Apple will be adopting for the iPhone 14 series. By the time this gonna be soon be seen in the iOS 16 for the WWDC 2022, and it is really near, and kind of a say M2 will be also seen for the WWDC 2022. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comment section down below. Apple's one of the most trusted leakster has leaked or kind of say a genuine type of thing that A16, and it is going to be powerful as usual, but it's going to be based on the 5nm still, and kind of say I will be thinking into the 4nm and soon the 3nm for the A17 and kind of stuff. iPad's production of the Apples have slowly been shifting from the China to the Vietnam, and they have started producing some sort of Apple iPads into small bunches, and soon we're going to be seeing sampled in Vietnam. Yeah, something different. AirPods Pro 2nd generation will be having the same design as per some rumors, which is on the AirPods Pro 1st generation, and it's gonna be adopting a lot of different sensors, and it's gonna be a battery efficient AirPod. So again, a cheap iPhone 13. It is around 6,000, under 6,000 INR rupees, launched from Elite TV smartphones, and kind of say they are back after a really long time. It looks a lot like iPhone 13. Got a 5G connectivity also, and it is a smartphone, working smartphone, touchscreen smartphone at under 5,900 rupees. So yeah, you can go to China and grab this phone. Tecno Spark 9 Pro has been launched. It is powered by the MediaTek Helio G85 processor, a 4G phone by the time, and it got a 32 megapixel front camera setup. Yeah, it looks really nice and stylish from the rear design. TCL Stylus 5G, and this smartphone has been launched in the America, or you can say United States, and this got a 5G by the way. Dimensity 700 is the 50 megapixel camera setup, which is a quad camera setup. ROG 6 series, the final wait has been over for a gaming smartphone, and this is a upcoming smartphone. July 5th, the launch date has been set up, and I'm genuinely excited for this smartphone. It's gonna be having a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, but more capable of into the gaming things. So those were some of the weekly tech updates. To get yourself updated, make sure you stay tuned for the next weekly tech updates. This was the Captain Years. You're watching KRS and DRS. Like, share, subscribe. Let us know in the comment section which was your favorite and what was your disappointing news. This was Captain Years again. You're watching KRS and DRS. I'll catch you in the next video. Stay safe, stay connected. Peace out.